Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to find the value of x for the given expression. This type of questions are given in competitive examinations like Cambridge interview exam, CAT, MAT, GMAT and others. So let's start. So for this, first of all, we solve this part. So this part is equal to 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. So this is equal to LCM of these two, 1 minus x. So we have 1 minus x plus x and x minus x plus x cancelled out. So we have 1 upon 1 minus x. So we have 1 upon 1 minus x. Now second case, now we take this one. So for this one, 1 plus the term in red circle, we have 1 upon 1 minus x. So this is equal to 1 plus 1 minus x. And this is equal to 2 minus x. Now we have in the denominator 2 minus x. So the whole expression we can write like this: 2x upon 2 minus x equal to 1. So this implies 2x equal to 2 minus x. This implies 2x plus x equal to 2. And this implies 3x equal to 2. Now this implies x equal to 2 by 3. So our answer is 2 by 3. Hope you enjoyed my video. Feel free to just suggest any topic that you want me to discuss in the comment. If you like my video, make sure to subscribe my channel right now. Thank you for your support. See you next time.